Hey there, Mr. Guzman. Thank you so much for hopping on today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
No problem. Well, like I've mentioned before, your campus has been chosen as our Campus Close-Up series. We're going to be out at your school telling the great stories about your campus. And I guess the first question is kind of an easy one. Just talk to me about your campus. What's the school year been like for you all, and how's it going out there?
Absolutely. So for the first time in 100 years, because this year, Edison Middle School turns 100 years. And for the first time in 100 years, our campus is recognized as an A-rated campus from TEA. So the community, the teachers, the students are very, very excited about that. It's just going to, lead us to our next year to be able to make sure that we maintain that A. So we're very, very excited. We're leading the work for the East End, which goes into our motto for Edison. We are considered the best in the East because we're the best campus in the East End, and our A-rated rating from TEA definitely vouches that.
I love that. I'm sure there's a lot of momentum going on at that school, kind of everyone feeling really positive about the school year and whatnot. Talk to me about your programs there at your school. Or is there anything that's a really standout program that maybe parents may not know about, or maybe the community may not know about?
Absolutely. So one of the things that we're doing, the first comprehensive middle school here in our area that we're doing is we're converting all of our 7th grade math classroom to accelerated math. We believe that all of our students, it doesn't matter what zip code they're coming from, we believe that they all could achieve their highest potential, and this includes our accelerated math courses. So we're converting all 7th grade accelerated math, and by our next school year, we're going to have everyone in an algebra classroom. So that means that when they leave Edison Middle School, they will leave with a high school credit, meaning that in high school, they'll have an opportunity to get advanced courses, and it's just going to lead them to their educational career.
That's amazing. They're just ahead of the game, if you will, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Very nice. I also heard your campus has a DIAD program, correct?
Yes, so we are part of the NES program. One of the things that definitely our parents and community are still getting to learn about our campus is just the whole NES program, right? Not only the NES program does ensures that all of our students are receiving high quality instruction, but also it provides this unique opportunities, right, from our community members. For example, we have cosmetology, we have a barber class, we have photography, we have soccer, we have kickboxing, and we have culinary. So it's just all these unique experiences that our students are receiving. And like I said before, a lot of our students come just for the fact that they want to come to the barber class. So they're really encouraging the students to come to school just because of the DIAD program. So I'm very, very excited for that. One thing that also that our parents are just like all about, especially our open house, they're applauding and, they're asking so many questions about our DIAD travel. So this year, our 7th graders are going to Nashville, Tennessee, and our 8th graders are going to Dominican Republic. So I'm very, very excited for them. The parents, just their eyes were like, wow, I can't believe that they're going to get those experiences. So very excited for this year. The parents are very excited as well. So I'm happy to be here.
Very nice. Well, it's no doubt why y'all are the best in the East. And like I said, we'll be out of your campus all next week, highlighting these great stories and these great programs. And so thank you so much for hopping on this call. And like I said, we'll be out there next week for our Campus Close-Up series.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good one.